Hey folks, it's Coby from CobyWright.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about some of the things that you can do with my Lightning QR code generator. Okay, now if you're not familiar with QR codes, basically it's a way to perform an action on a smartphone so that the user can do whatever you want them to do. Now I showed you in another video all the different things that you could do with all the different things that you can make the user do using this QR code generator, such as web address, email address, SMS, etc., etc. Now I'm going to talk a little further and tell you why some of the cooler things that you can do and why you'd want to do these and how you can entice people to use your codes. Now, if you're using a website address, then I would suggest that you direct them to a page where they can get a coupon, they can get something, a phone number, some way to get in contact with you, some way to get on your mailing list, or to like you on Facebook, to join you on Twitter, some way that you can market to them again, or at the very least give them a coupon or something so that you can do business for them or show them an offer. Okay, now let's go to the next one, email address. What's some of the cool things you can do with the email address? Well, you can use this to auto opt in them. For example, if you want to enter let's say that you can, if you're using Aweber or one of the or GetResponse or any of the other email autoresponders that allow you to use the email submit, you can enter that in here and you get into the email address as Aweber, or it's where it works like this: list name at aweber.com. Of course, you would substitute list name with the actual name of your list. But what happens is whenever they send a blank email to this, then they're automatically added to your list. So that's one way you can use that. So whenever they scan it, they're told to put in the email address, whatever, and they add it to your list. SMS number, if you're wanting to, market to them using SMS text messages, that's where you would do that, in the same way that you would use it with the autoresponder. Telephone number. Now, if you're wanting them to call you or something, then of course that's what you would use, where you would use the telephone number. This is really good call to action if you're having a sale, or if you have some type of service where you really need to talk to the person in order to close them. So that's perfect for that. Now, plain text. Now, this one can be used in so many different ways. You can use this in contest. You can use this just to give them a coupon code, to give them maybe a password to a download, or anything. With the plain text, you can pretty much enter any kind of message you want there. So you can. That's limited to your imagination on what you could do with that. If you're, like I said, some of the best things to do would be like a coupon or a password or something. Geographic location, you could use that to allow someone to find your location. Like if you're doing offline marketing, if you deal with a lot of restaurants and stuff, that'd be perfect because they can just scan it and find out where it's at. The ME card, I'm not too familiar on what this is because I'm just now starting to get into mobile. But so for those of you who do know about the ME card, then you can use that. I did put that in there for those of you who actually know how to use that. But there you go. It's basically a way to get a lot of information from your users. Android Marketplace, if you sell apps, then you can use this to send them to your sales page or to send them to anything that's related to the Android Marketplace. And then Wi-Fi. This one's pretty self-explanatory. If you have a Wi-Fi service, either paid or free, for your customers that they can use, then whenever they scan this, it gives them the information they need to access it. So that's some of the things that you can do. A little brief or more further explanation of some of the stuff that you can do with this and that you can actually do with QR codes and how you can use them in your business. Okay, I'm gonna do one more video on one more video for how to save them and what to do with them after they're saved. Okay, so this is Coby from CobyWright.com. That's all I got for you in this video. If there's anything that you need questions with or you need help with the software, be sure to visit my support desk at www.support.cobywright.com. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.